So if you position this, oh, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 charcoal filters. This is the filter holder. So you just you soak one of these first. It has good instructions. So you soak one first, then you put it into the holder, and then if your coffee machine doesn't have one, you just install this right over the hole in the water reservoir, and it sticks really well. See? So it works very well. It's a great idea. Just measure, make sure it fits. Mine does fit, but I am going to have to just take this down just a notch to close the top, but still I can use this, and I would recommend this for anyone that has a coffee maker that doesn't have a filter, water filter. It just extends the life of your machine. So yeah, totally happy with this. And I think they last a long time, each filter. How to replace here, that's really easy. Just make sure that this part is right over the water outlet, inlet, that sucks up the water from the reservoir into the machine, and you're fine.